project wrap-up today. You know, when you think you finished up a project and you say, hey, I should have done this, I should have done that. Well, that's what we're doing today. This and that. We're going to finish up our bird feeder. Weld this piece on there. Put some washers on the end. So birds can sit there when they're waiting their turn. And we can hang some more stuff on there.
Alrighty. Here we weld bird feeder attachments. Because we're badass. For a crooked welding. I did, I put it on the side.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah! What? Hell yeah! Thanks to Gavin, we got our bird feeder welded up right. There we go. Bird feeder holder done. We got these extra things we can put fruit or whatever for the birds. Probably use those more in the winter. I gotta fill it up. On to the next one. Check this out. So we gotta tighten this up again. I'm gonna attach these to the door. A couple of items. Got it from the Temu. And I can put some of my smaller tools on there, so I don't have to route through there and find it every time I want to. And I'm just going to drill right through the door, nut and bolt, and then I'll probably put like a rubber washer on there, try and keep it watertight. Check it out. Check that out. I went to my stash. These are already set up with rubber washers. I need to make sure that I place it so it doesn't run into this shelf. done. Here's another issue we got to tighten up. These veggies have really taken off. And some tomatoes there already. But we're going to replace these little supports. We're going to make a bamboo teepee with some threads in there for those climbing veggies to climb onto. Check it out. Check it out. TP complete. If I put 3 passes on there, if I need some more, we can put it on when these veggies grow up. So, check out that pepper. Yeah. Alright. Complete. Alright. That's real cool to get those projects wrapped up, get them where they're supposed to be. Didn't take them much time. So, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next one.